To Your Health, where we talk to local health leaders to help you feel better, live better, and be better.
Hey everybody, and welcome to Your Health. Today we're going to talk about injuries during the summer, especially trauma injuries. To help us navigate through that is Dr. David Schultz from Surgical Associates of Neenah. Welcome, doctor.
Thanks for having me.
So we're in summertime, and that means we can have some injuries, some car accidents, things like that. Your group is the highest level trauma center in the Fox cities. I'm super curious on what makes you that way. How do you staff that? What does that mean to our community?
Yeah, Surgical Associates of Neenah staff the Level 2 Trauma Center at Data Care in Neenah. The Level 2 status is the highest level trauma center in the Fox Valley. What that means for us is we always have 2 surgeons on call at any given time, and one that takes the primary call and the other one for backup, because oftentimes we get more than one victim from an incident. And what does that mean for us? We have to be there within 15 minutes when we're called. We have to keep up on trauma education and keep our processes improving day in and day out. And
when we think about the things that could happen this summer, what are some of the things that you see when you're on call that happens?
Yeah, our biggest injury pattern is falls, elderly falls, but in the summertime we see a lot more of the high energy injuries. Car crashes, they occur throughout the year, but summertime brings out the motorcycles, and we start seeing a lot more motorcycle trauma, ATV crashes, burns from campfires, things like that.
With your expertise and things and being recognized for that trauma center, maybe from your perspective, what are some things that people can do, to stay away from you a little bit in the summer? How can we avoid that?
Yeah, all too often alcohol is related to the traumas that we see, no drinking and driving, no impaired driving. That's just as bad as alcohol-related trauma. People are looking at their cell phones while driving. We see that a lot. In terms of motorcycles, wearing a helmet, all too often we'll have someone that comes in who has a terrible head injury, but from the neck down they're absolutely fine, and a helmet could have changed that. Again, responsible alcohol use and just making smart decisions.
It's funny that it always comes down to that, right? We forget the common sense things, and it always gets us in trouble a little bit.
Correct.
Yeah. Well, Dr. David Schultz, Surgical Associates of Neenah, thanks for being here and kind of navigating us through the pitfalls of what we need to avoid for summer trauma. And we want to thank you for watching To Your Health.
The preceding was a paid advertisement.